Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin now. Eliminate alcohol and processed sugar to lower incoming toxin load. Once done, increase hydration to 2-3 liters daily and add 1/2 lemon per liter to aid liver pathways. Prepare simple meals, steam vegetables, choose lean protein, and include 0.5 cup whole grains at meals so digestion stays steady. Make sure to schedule short walks and 7-8 hours sleep. These activate clearance systems. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Start the basic steps immediately and build consistency. You now deepen the process. Support liver function with a standard milk thistle protocol, 300-600 milligrams daily, or comparable nutrients that promote phase 1 and phase 2 detox reactions. Increase fiber to 20-30 grams daily and time 1.5-2 liters of water between meals to improve bowel transit, plus probiotics to stabilize microbiome output. Add gentle sweating through a 20-30 minute sauna or brisk walk 3 to 4 times weekly to mobilize stored compounds. Make sure to rehydrate afterward. You finish by tapering supplemental supports gradually over 7 to 14 days and reintroduce foods slowly so you can spot intolerances. Once done, monitor urine color, stool consistency, and energy levels and keep simple daily notes to detect patterns. If something goes wrong, headaches, constipation, or fatigue, increase fluid intake, add electrolytes, and boost soluble fiber. These fixes restore balance quickly. Make sure to consult a clinician if severe symptoms persist, but start with these practical adjustments to complete the detox.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.